Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, like I say, hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, 306, nuclear, Rastaman, rebel, big up on yourself. Now, I'm gonna jump right into this. Look at the screen in front of you. It's Ainsley Woodburn, aka Shortman, from out of Belfront, Cambridge area. Dangerous boy. Now, look on the screen. Me I telling you the story. What go on with that boy? Cause him escaped last week Saturday, and him a terrorize the people them. A $15 million Jamaican, him pay the police them for escape from jail, and him wanted on 6 counts of murder. Want to follow that equation, yeah. So, the youth here, Shortman, otherwise known in real name as Ainsley Woodburn, seen there in front of you. The youth here is a big time scammer out of Belfront, Cambridge, St. James. Him have some youth I work around him and nah give the youth them nothing. And have all the youth them a build up in most guy. Yo, him have all a Honda Jeep, him have a Prado, and the boy have a big house where him a build up. Anyways, the man them take $5,000 Huey from him. And from the man them take the $5,000 Huey. The brother here set off a blowout slap with spree, yo. Him kill all him own cousin. Me I tell you now, him kill Fire, Greybeard. Me I show you some people where him kill. But the biggest thing is him pay $15 million to the police them, and them let him go. I wanna not even hear it on the news. Yo, let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's Shortman cousin, Christopher Frere. And when them run in now our house where Shortman did there, Christopher Frere did there, their cousin. And because of that, him slap her Christopher. You see me I say, and that time cousin him say, yo, Christopher inform upon him. That's how dangerous that boy is. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's Orion Lawrence. And the youth here, him slap with the youth here in the night. You understand? Now, me don't know where the people them could have do him so, because him a do immediate thing. And the man just start eradicate the people them dog. Me don't know how that boy is so cool. Yo, me want the police them find that boy, yeah. So look for Orion. Night slap way now. You understand? And I saw the boy, yeah, I move. He want to move like pricky boy them dog. Yo, Shortman, we are going to catch you and send you to prison. You slap with your cousin, and you slap with Orion Lawrence. Let's move on and show you how dangerous Shortman, Ainsley Woodburn, and him brother them and him cousin them is. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Shortman on the left, O'Shane Downer on the right. Now the youth get slapped in the night. You understand? And You see, when they little food, the man them, they take the little food from him. Cause remember, him I use the youth them. And him, give them nothing. When the man them take the food from him, him go up at that man your mother house, down her mother house, for shame. And stitch it up with pear grains. You understand? Now, if you don't know Belfont, you know say it in St. James, and you know say the area where we are talking about little lane with 9 houses, everybody have to run away because of the youth here. Not only that, the boy pay the police them 15 mil for them look the other way. You see me I say? Now him there on the loose and the people them is terrified. We need to find the youth here. We need to find the youth here. Very cool youth. You understand? Very cool, man. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Another victim. That's Mr. Spencer, aka Papi Dread. And Shartman, Ainsley, Killamania. You understand? That's how bad this youth are going. Now, like me say, Jamaica are one of the most dangerous places. Montego Bay, aka Gangster Bay, are one of the most dangerous places. The youth here, Shartman, are one of the most dangerous man never seen in a long time come out of Jamaica. So, Mr. Spencer, right here, aka Papi Dread, slapway by the boy there. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm gonna break it down. This dude here, Shartman, Ainsley Woodburn, is a scammer from Mobile. Cambridge here, in a St. James. He not come from Mobile. I know how the Mobile man them stay. He's not from Mobile. Come from Belfront. And he must scam with some youth. The youth them, him not pay them. And the youth them all on a piece of food for him. 5 pack, Yui. Now, after that, him go crazy and start slap with the people them. It's end up that theme father get slapped with. And after that, him go even more double crazy. All of the people them have to run away. Him did their jail. And it's alleged that him pay 15 million Jamaican dollar and escape. Saturday we gone. Now, to show you how Jamaica is, we don't even hear it in the news. He should be on Jamaica's most wanted. On the most wanted list, at least in a St. James. Because he's a big time scammer. You hear say him have a big house. I get a picture of him house and them things there. But, yeah, that youth here. Ainsley Woodburn. Dangerous. One of the most cold-blooded youth. Now, me here say, when him slap your youth, the youth, one little girl is there and the man and touch a little girl, dog. And she have to go into the hospital and have surgery for reconstruct her face and all them things. You understand? Him have the whole of Cambridge and the whole of Belfont terrorized. And if you haven't seen it, me no know how fit him thing not in the newspaper, how the police them and the government now make people know about that boy. Him need to come off of the road. Anybody know where him there? Drop me a line. You understand? No, it's also alleged that the Cambridge police them them in him pocket. You understand? So people are afraid for wait name that for say certain things and whatnot. You understand? So that are the thing I go on right now. In a Bellfront, Cambridge area in a St. James, yo. Yo, help we get that boy back in a prison and get him off of the street. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And one more time again, me I tell you now. Help we get that boy off of the street. Ainsley Woodburn, aka Sharpman, Countryman, I'm out. Now, before I go, I want to make this very clear. Look on the screen in front of you. Now, the dirty scammer boy up on the left, Ainsley Woodburn, him have two brother. So me I say, one of him brother named Oral, him there Freeport lock up right now. I work with them, and him and them work. Him other brother Gary, him wanted and they on the run. Now, look on the right. After Brian, him cousin, him run with too, him wanted. In their town, look on the three different picture there. Now, you see on the far right picture, him a grow him dreads. You see, and like him a bleach out too, like him start bleach out. We don't know what's wrong with the beauty and the bleaching, dog. But yo, yeah, I them this. And that boy up on the left, like they say, Ainsley, a 15 million in Lego. And them dirty drunk crow, where it named the boy, police boy, look the other way. So, yo, if you don't know where them there, make Countryman know. You understand? Dial 911-119. Very dangerous. Okay? Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country Boss, hit your notification button. Okay? And I'm gonna do an update on this, cause me and follow this case here. You understand? 15 mil, him escape. It ain't in the media, exclusive. We wanna know where that boy are there. And me I tell you now, he might terrorize the people them, yo. That boy have big money. Countryman, I'm out.